Hi everybody, Paul here again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter in your vehicle, so stay tuned. Starting around the year 2000, car manufacturers started adding cabin air filters like the one you see here. More than 90% of new cars today have a cabin air filter. This helps stop dust, pollen, and other outside air contaminants from entering the cabin through the different air vents. The time to replace it is when it starts looking dirty, and it's something that anybody can do. If you don't change a dirty cabin air filter, then this will cause all of your air vents to have reduced airflow. It'll also take longer for foggy or icy windows to clear, and it'll eventually lead to foul odors inside the vehicle. No matter what the year, make, and model is of a vehicle, most cabin air filters will be located on the front passenger side behind the glove box. A lot of these can be replaced in just a few minutes without any tools, while some may require removing some fasteners. To replace the cabin air filter, first open up the glove box and remove anything inside the glove box. On this 2006 Toyota Camry, I have to remove one screw located here. If your particular vehicle has any fasteners that need to be removed, it'll be very obvious and they'll be easy to remove. Next, push inward on the top outer ends on the back of the glove box and pull forward, which will allow it to pivot down and out of the way. Now you can gain access to the cabin air filter by sliding out the filter tray located here. Now you can remove and replace the old filter from the tray. Be sure when the new filter is installed into the tray that it's installed facing up as shown on the filter. Be sure to check on the front of the filter tray for any instructions on which way to insert the filter tray back in. Notice this one shows an arrow pointing up. Next, slide the filter tray back in until it stops. Before reinstalling any fasteners, check to make sure that the glove box closes properly. If it does not close, then the hinges on the bottom of the glove box came off the track and simply need to be realigned. Just line up all the hinges and pop it back into place. Next, reinstall any fasteners and you're done. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.